finding the working coupons for your Dhgate is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can find the working coupons for your Dhgate. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for coupon follow. If I search on that, these websites will appear. I will go to this website, which is couponfollow.com. Now here you guys will be able to see all the companies are here. You can find the coupons for these companies. But for now, we are talking about Dhgate. So for that, what I will do is I will type Dhgate. As you can see, this website popped up. I'm going to click on that. Now here you will be able to see all the working coupons for Dhgate. You just need to find the suitable coupon for your purchase or for yourself. So suppose if I can get that, which is Dhgate coupon $10 off your purchase of 85 plus. So if you are spending more than $85, you can get the 10% or $10 off in your Dhgate. So if I click on that show coupon, what it will do is it will show me the coupon. I just need to copy this coupon and paste there. So that's how you guys can get $10 off. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can find the working coupons for your Dhgate. Hope you guys find this video helpful.